Space Club. Friends, today I am here with you to tell you how you children can be unique children, unique citizens, and definitely you have potential to be a great children of Kerala and also for India. Now I am indeed delighted to participate in the Career Excellence Initiative organized by Asianet News Channel. I am happy that Asianet News is organizing Asianet Career Excellence as a corporate social responsibility program every year for promoting excellence among the youth. I greet the participants of CSR program of Asianet News, which provides scholarship to select a student for further studies and also the scholarship winners. And also who has not got scholarship, don't worry. Definitely you have all the potential to succeed in the life. That is my talk. So you should not get frightened. Few people get scholarship, many don't. It's a good effort which will help the deserving student to climb the ladders of professional career with support of Asianet News. My greetings to Asianet News management, participants, schools, and other distinguished guests, and all the members present here. Dear young friends, when I am with you, I will discuss few thoughts on the topic, how to be unique. Each one of you who are sitting in front of me, young fellows, young boys and girls, who are sitting in front of me, I can assure you, you can become unique. Every one of you can become, you can be a unique person. Just do one thing. Dear friends, when I see today, Asia News is also conducting a seminar focusing on new generation education. I would like to share my thoughts with all of you on this subject. When India is in the mission of skill and knowledge enabling 150 million youth before 2020, I suggest each school, I visualize every secondary school, a student when they come after 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, each one will have two certificates. One is secondary school certificate, another one a certificate for skill. That means 9th class, 10th class, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 25% of the syllabus should be a skill-based syllabus. That means carved out of the syllabus, and every student, when she comes out of the secondary school, 2 certificates should be there. That certificates really, when you come, you become employable. Not only you are graduating for going to college, also you can have a skill, so that means you are becoming employable also. That's my vision of education. Now friends, I am going to talk to you, unique you I am going to talk to you. What is unique you? What is unique you? You know, you just look at the light in front of you, look up, you see the light. When you see the light, you are remembering one great personality. Light and bulb, whom do you remember? Whom do you remember? Very good, Thomas Alva Edison. You are remembering him for his unique contribution towards the invention of electric bulb and his electrical lighting system. When the sound of aircraft every day going, flying on your house, you remember 2 personalities. Very good children, right? You remember the Wright brothers, who are the 1903, they said man can fly. Then in your house there is a telephone. Some children may have telephone. My friends, 2 of my friends have got two cell telephone. But when bell rings, who do you remember? Alexander Graham Bell, you are remembering. There was one great scientist. He was traveling from London, Indian scientist, She was traveling from London to Calcutta. When he reached Calcutta one evening, sun was shining and the sky, horizon was blue and sea was blue. He asked a question, why sea is blue? Why sky is blue at the horizon? And he got for that Nobel Prize. Can you think of? Sir C.V. Raman got the Nobel Prize for backscattering of the light. Now there was another great Indian mathematician. In 10th class, that is 10 plus 2 in those days, intermediate, he failed all the subjects except mathematics. But he was found out by Cambridge professor Hardy and nourished. He became the greatest mathematician in number theory. Can you think of? Srinivasa Ramanujan. So friend, there was one lady who got 2 Nobel Prize. One lady who got 2 Nobel Prize, one for discovering the radium, another for physical structuring, the physics of the radium. She got another Nobel Prize. So 2 Nobel Prize she got. She is Madame Curie. So this Madame Curie, when she want to utilize the radiation for the human benefit, and she sacrificed her whole life. Why? Why do you remember them? Why do you remember them? Tell me why. Because they are unique. Very good answer. Because they are unique. Friends, I have so far met 13 million youth in India and abroad in a decade's time, in your age group. I learnt every youth, in your age, every youth wants to be unique. That is you. But the world around you is doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. Do you follow? You want to become unique, but day and night everybody wants to make you to be everybody else. But how to become unique? For to become unique, you have to have 4 qualities. I have analyzed all the 10 people who said they are unique. Just now you said unique. Then what are the unique qualities these successful leaders we have found? They have, number 1, great aim, not small aim. Small aim is a crime. Small aim is a crime. But these unique people have got the great aim. Second one, continuously they acquire the knowledge. Acquire the knowledge through great books, acquire the knowledge through great teachers, acquire the knowledge to great human beings. Acquire the knowledge to great human beings. So second one, acquiring the knowledge. Acquiring the knowledge continuously. And the third one, of course, hard work. Some of them, they are doing hard work by talking also. Hard work you have to do. Fourth one is perseverance. That is, any work you do, there will be a problem. Problem should not become your captain. You should become the captain of the problem and defeat the problem. That is called perseverance. So I am sure you all have got a unique tool now. What is the unique tool? 4 are the unique tool. Great aim, acquiring the knowledge, hard work and perseverance. Now children, all of you have to do one thing, okay? Will you do it what I say? Today you will take a oath. Ready? From today onwards, I will make my mother happy. If mother is happy, my home is happy. If my home is happy, society is happy. If society is happy, Kerala is happy. If Kerala is happy, India is happy. How many of you will make your mother happy from today onwards? If you don't do, I'll catch you. Don't do, I'll catch you. Okay? Now children, have you heard about photosynthesis? All of you have photosynthesis? If you plant one tree, a mature tree absorbs 20 kilogram of carbon dioxide. Okay? Lets out 14 kilogram of oxygen. 14 kilogram of oxygen. That is photosynthesis, right? So each one of you children, wherever you are going to plant 5 trees and nurture. Even though Kerala has got a lot of trees, still we need a lot. So you are going to 5 trees nurture before 25 years of age. Will you do? Repeat with me, I have decided within 3 years I will plant 10 trees. I will nurture. I will become member of mission billion tree for billion people. All of you will do? Very good. Thank you children. You are all fantastic children. God bless you. Okay.